We start by installing the assembled AB parts every 250 mm, ensuring they match the anchors. In profiles with interior machining, we avoid aligning the adjustment screw with the machining to facilitate adjustment. Next, we install the outer rubber. We recommend starting from the top and progressively moving downward. For an easier installation, you can apply water with soap. The system allows inverted mounting and is compatible with LED lighting systems. The system is designed to work with glass of different thicknesses. The information to choose the appropriate glass is available in the technical documentation. To ensure a stable installation, we place the wedges in position to pre-fix the glass and make sure it rests on the leveling piece. We use a plastic sheet to facilitate its adjustment. For precise leveling, we place a level on the glass and secure its position with a clamp. We proceed with leveling using our system. We adjust by turning the screw of each piece until the glass is perfectly vertical. While we make the adjustment, we press the wedge down to eliminate any gap between the glass and the kit. Then, we check that the glass has not become misaligned. If necessary, we repeat the process without loosening the wedge. One of the main advantages of this system is that it allows for the fixing and leveling of the glass independently. We repeat the same process with the next glass panel. We align it with the previous one and make the necessary adjustments with Level-In Plus. Unlike other systems, Level-In Plus allows for the leveling and securing of the railing from inside the installation, avoiding the need of using auxiliary means. One of the great advantages of this system is that it allows for adjusting the alignment as many times as necessary without needing to disassemble it. Once all the glass panels are aligned, we perform the final tightening of the wedges, ensuring a stable and durable installation. To finish, we install the inner rubber. Depending on the thickness of the glass, it may be necessary to remove some of the rubber layers for optimal fitting. With this, we complete the installation of our glass railing system with Level-In Plus. Thanks to its innovative mechanism, we have achieved a quick, precise, and safe installation. For more information, you can scan this QR code and access the brochure that shows all its features. Thank you for choosing Comenza.